These are the stabilizer bracket bolts that mount the stabilizer bar to the frame, the front cross member. They are 10.9 volt strength, which is I think the I think it's the next to the top I've ever seen. I think I saw a 12.9 once. But using using my tap and die set, my dies here, I ran this on and figured this out to be a 10 millimeter by 1.5 thread pitch and size. Um, and then of course you can see that they have machined the tops of these threads off. They are good threads though, and the nut catches them, but they've done this so that they can find the hole in the frame, and without wallering up the threads on top, rounding them over and making them not want to catch. So you get a good stab, and then the threads kind of, it just assists them doing them, especially thinking about how they put these things together up there and, well, wherever this one got made. So I'm gonna go see what I can do. They also have the captured washers. I probably won't be able to duplicate that. Don't want to really. I don't even really like this design at all. I'm gonna probably start with my flange that I've got to deal with there. See, there's my hole I'm mounting to right there, and then I turn it this way, and now you see what I've got to deal with. I'm gonna go to McMaster and find me some 10.9 or better bolts. We'll see how it goes.